Hello everyone and welcome to my channel OptionsTraderToday. So today in this video I'll tell you how Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum and Litecoin has moved in the next week and how this crypto can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of Bitcoin, what we have seen, it is currently trading at around $21,203. Okay, and we have seen a sharp downfall in Bitcoin. It has made a swing at this particular level with a low of around 1776. And after that we have seen it was quite moving upside. Resistance was coming at around 25027, and from there we have seen a sharp fall. Okay, and if this level we have seen it is a strong resistance, that's why we have seen there is a sharp rejection at this particular point, and now trading at around 21207. Suppose if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can come down again to a level of $19,770, and if that level goes downside, then we can see it can hit its next resistance of $17,450. Okay, and if from there we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $13,121. Okay, and if the price didn't sustain this particular level, but suppose the price sustain, okay, and if this level goes upside, then we can see it can go further high towards a level of $24,099. Okay, and from there we can see a weak resistance coming at around $24,892. Okay, and from there we can see it can go upside towards a level of $26,278, and from there we can see it can move towards a level of $30,593, and from there we can see it can go further high, because a probability will be there that it can go further upside. Okay, if we talk about Ethereum, see, if we talk about Ethereum have also shown a sharp fall at this particular level. Okay, with a strong support, that is around, with a strong resistance at around $2026. Suppose if this level sustain, it is now, we can see it can, a probability of moving further down, because we can see a red candle is forming. But suppose if this level sustain, we can see it can come up to a level of $1792, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $2012. Okay, and this has become a weak resistance, so probability will be high. We can see it can go to a level of $2150, and if that sustain, we can see it can go further upside. But suppose if this level didn't sustain, because market is uncertain, you cannot predict the market will go upside. Okay, as of now we can see it can go further down if this level didn't sustain a level of $1434, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down to a next support of 1228. Okay, and suppose if this level also didn't sustain, then there is a higher probability, then we can see it can touch a level of $897, which is a strong support. So probability, we can see it can bounce back from that level. Okay, now if we talk about Dogecoin, Dogecoin also was trying to move upside, but we have seen again there is a fall in the Dogecoin. Suppose if this level sustain, a probability will be very high. We can see it can come up to a level of $0.0831. Okay, and if that level goes upside, then we can see it can go further high towards a level of $0.093. Okay, so that after that we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $0.1253, and from there we can see it can go further upside. But suppose if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $0.0493, which is a good support. So we can see a bounce back at this particular level. Okay, or if that level goes downside, then we can see it can move further down. Okay, now if we talk about Litecoin, see, if we talk about Litecoin also have shown a sharp fall, because all these cryptos was not moving that particular. After moving high, we have seen a sharp fall had happened in all these cryptos. See, suppose if the Litecoin didn't sustain this particular level, which is at a higher probability, we can see it can come down again to a level of $46.58, and if that level didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $40.58. Okay, and suppose if that level also didn't sustain, then there is a high probability it can go further down towards a level of $28.43. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further down. Okay, but suppose if this level sustain, a probability is very high. We can see it can go towards a level of $60.55, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $66.31. Okay, and $66.31 is already a weak resistance, so probability is very high. We can see it can go further upside towards a level of $90.97, and from there we can see it can go further upside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.